She opened me in the CR. Let's go. Yeah, and she won't even talk about it. Right, girl? Yeah, you won't even talk about it even if I ask you normal questions. Okay, so that's the couch, this is the table, this is the storage room, and this is the dining room. And then that's the fridge, and that's the kitchen, and then this is the bathroom. And then there is the stairs. The girlie is following me. Okay, girlie. Okay, so that's the carpet. Okay, guys, this is a mysterious room. We haven't even go here yet.
But first, we're going to open it in the last part.
Yeah, make sure you like, and comment down
You
below.
have to first subscribe and like to open this door.
Yeah.
So that will be later.